Hey friends, at it again. I'm getting ready to do a project. I love my professional setup here. I have old sneakers to hold this plastic sheet down. We've got our paint and my spray bottle, some brushes. So these heavy wood plaques are blue with gold trim. They came like that, and I'm going to be painting them a very soft black in chalk paint. So after those are done being painted, there will be gold lamps, sconces actually, attached to these boards. Here's one hanging. So that's what it looks like. They're quite big. So these will be black, no more gold trim. And right here will be a gold sconce. Very, very beautiful, rechargeable, remote controlled. So that is the project that I am currently on. We'll update when they're all finished.